Hello everyone, welcome to the first module of this week, and the name of this module is Designing and Monitoring Search Campaigns. As the name suggests, in this module we will focus on designing and managing the search campaigns. And under this module, you will specifically learn what is structure of Google Ad account, how to make settings at campaign level, how to create ad groups, and finally, how to design search campaigns. We have already learned that how to register for Google Ads, and I hope all of you must have registered for Google Ads. If not, then first please register for Google Ads following the various steps as explained in one of our previous video, and then continue with this module. We also know that in Google Ads you can create various types of campaigns like search campaigns, display campaigns, video campaigns, etc. But before we jump to any form of campaign designing, it's very important to understand the structure of Google Ad account. It will help you to design your Google Ad campaigns effectively. Actually, Google Ads has 3 layers, and understanding of how these layers are linked to each other will surely help you to create and run any Google Ad campaign successfully. These 3 layers are Google Ad account, campaigns, and ad groups. First, we have account. Each Google Ads account is associated with a single mail ID, password, and billing information. As we have already created our account, so we know about this layer. Your country, time zone, and currency settings are made in this layer, and once settings are made, you cannot change them, so be very careful at this stage. Depending upon your needs, you may have different Google Ad accounts, but it is always advised to have one Google Ad account to have more control and monitoring powers. The second layer is campaigns. Under your Google Ad account, you can create multiple campaigns like search campaigns, display campaigns, video campaigns, or app install campaigns, depending upon your objectives or goals of the business. The most important point to remember here is that each campaign has its own budget-related settings. That means you can allocate different amount of budgets to different campaigns. Now, can I create n number of campaigns in Google Ad account? No, not at all. There is a limit on how many campaigns you can decide per account. According to Google Ads, you can create up to 10,000 campaigns per account. That include both active and paused campaigns. The third and the most important layer is ad groups. Again, under one campaign, there can be multiple ad groups representing different product, services, or anything else which you think can be put to a different group. Each ad group contains various but similar ads with little variation. The most important point to remember in ad group is that you can set a list of keywords for each ad group separately for Google Ad auction process. It simply means if you are creating 3 ad groups, then for each ad group you have to set your keywords separately. How many groups can you create in a single campaign? There is a again limit. You can create up to 20,000 ad groups per campaign. I would like to say here that it's not mandatory to create multiple ad groups in each campaign. If you think only one ad group is okay and you want to keep one ad in that group, it's absolutely fine. After going through the entire process of campaign designing, you will be able to take the decision on how many ad groups and how many ads under each groups are required. Let us try to understand this entire Google Ads organization with the help of an example. Suppose in my institution we are offering 4 different streams of MBA program like MBA Finance, MBA Marketing, MBA International Business, and MBA Human Resource Management. We want to use Google Ads to promote our courses. In this case, we will organize our Google Ad account in this way. First layer will be of our Google Ad account with unique mail ID, password, country, and the billing information. In the second layer, we will run 4 campaigns, one for each stream, that is MBA Finance, MBA Marketing, MBA International Business, and MBA Human Resource Management. At this level, we will set our budget and bidding strategies for each campaign. We have created different campaigns for each stream because we have different amounts of budget allocated to each stream depending upon their relevance. Now in the third layer, we will create different ad groups for each campaign containing similar ads. Here, we will set a list of keywords for each ad group. How to set that list, I will demonstrate in a while. There is no hard and fast rule of categorizing your campaigns and ad groups. The same account can be organized in a different way as well. For example, you just create one campaign for all the streams, then create 4 different ad groups for each stream having similar ads and different keywords for each ad group. It all depends on you how you want to organize the account. But it is very important to know what type of settings are available at each layer. So this was the brief introduction to the basic structure of Google Ads. Don't worry at all if things are a bit confusing. You will learn all the steps and the layers once you will create your own live search campaign. And in the next video, I am going to demonstrate how to create the search campaign. So just join me.